Hey future millionaires! My name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. And today I'm going to be showing you the simplest method of how you can start a dropshipping business in less than 10 minutes. And all through your phone. It has never been easier to start a dropshipping business with these new tools that nobody else is talking about on YouTube. And I am so excited to share with you guys the most simplified method that is also effective so you can stop procrastinating and start your online business today. And I mean right now. So grab your phone and let's go. People definitely overcomplicate the process of starting a dropshipping store. And the most important thing with anything in life is taking action and getting started. The goal with this video is to get you through the most tedious parts of starting a dropshipping business so you can put more time into the things that really matter, such as marketing strategies and getting sales. Speaking of that, make sure you watch all the way till the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing my own personal marketing strategies that grew my online businesses from nothing to earning over $400,000 in less than 1 year without paying for a single ad. So you don't want to miss it. My YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is just hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Now I have been working on some awesome new projects for you guys to simplify the way you do online business. And I personally got involved in creating this AI bot that builds your online store for you for free. You already know people will try to charge you thousands of dollars just to build an online store for you. And with this AI builder, you're gonna get one 100% free. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to the description box down below and click on this link. Or just go to your phone browser and type in buildyourstore.ai/baddie-in-business. I will also pin a comment to the top of all of the comments so you have this resource there as well. The beauty of this is that there's no work needed on your end. The only thing you have to decide is what niche you will choose for your online store. And within 2 minutes, this system will fully build you an entire branded dropshipping store. So first thing to do is just click on this button here that says build my free store. You're gonna enter your name in here, your email, and here is where you're gonna pick your niche. You could choose from fashion and apparel, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or I'm not sure, which will just give you a random one. So for this video, we're gonna go with the random one and we're gonna click on the home and garden niche. Then you just hit build my free store. Now, once the store is created, it's gonna give you this login here. Now this is the email and the password. So make sure you save this or take a screenshot of it right now. I'm gonna do it right now with you guys because after you exit from this page, this will be gone. So then just click on this link or just go to shopify.com, copy the email, paste it here, then copy the password they gave you and paste it for a password. So now let's check out the online store that it made for us. I think this online store looks insane. And this is so crazy to me because I feel like this is way better than even I could have done if I had like a short amount of time to actually do it. So you now have full control over this online store. It's now yours. And if you need to edit any of the products, you can go back through the Shopify page, click on the drop-down menu here, just click products, and you can go through these products. If you want to delete any, just click on it, scroll down and click delete. If you want to change any of the products, increase prices, you can do that all through here. You will notice that some of the titles will need to be shortened a little bit, so you can do that here as well. I always like to have shortened titles because I just feel like more simple looks better than like having like these super long titles. It just kind of looks a little weird. So you will notice there's also already products imported into this store. They are automatically imported here for you, ready to go using a program called AutoDS. It's totally up to you if you want to use these products. They are ready to go. If you don't already know what AutoDS is honestly an awesome platform for helping you find the products to sell, getting you the fast shipment supplier, and it also automates your entire dropshipping journey. They have a huge library of products to sell in your dropshipping store with fast shipment times. Just in case you are interested in keeping AutoDS installed, so you can start selling these products right away. I'm just gonna give you the inside scoop so you can see what AutoDS is all about. So for example, this is the Winning Products Hub. This tab gives you access to an entire collection of proven best-selling products. Just by going through each product, you can gain so many new ideas, and AutoDS updates this section on a daily basis. When you pull up a product that you're interested in, scroll down, you'll see all the data that gives you insight on how to price the product and so many other things. They also have a feature called the TikTok Ad Spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok ads and content that's performing well on the platform. By using this feature, you're gonna be able to see what insights is actually trending on TikTok and gives you inspiration for products to add to your store as well. You can search something like TikTok made me buy it in the search bar on this page and whatever you're wanting to narrow your search down on. And like I said, AutoDS does automate your orders for you. The program provides tracking updates and handles returns for your store. So you can set it up through AutoDS where when a customer places an order on your website, that supplier from AutoDS will ship that product straight to the buyer automatically. So you don't have to be going back and forth, copying and pasting the customer's information over like the old days. There's not gonna be any extra work on your end needed. You will also notice that AutoDS now includes an entire print-on-demand section. So if you wanted to use this AI builder and then start a print-on-demand store, you totally could do that as well. So go back to the sidebar here, click on Apps, click AutoDS, and it will take you directly to the platform where you can sign up with them. Or I did put a link down in the description box below where you do get 30 days for free. I think this one will only give you 14 days for free. So if you want to extend that trial, I linked it down below for you guys as well, just in case. So you can sign up through that link. Then once you're inside AutoDS, you'll sign in with your Shopify store. Then it will all be fully connected and ready to go. If you decide not to use AutoDS, you will have to find your own products and own supplier. AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping are a few ways that you can do this manually, but you will have to add your products in manually. When a customer places an order on your website, you will have to go back to the supplier, place the order, and it definitely is a lot more work on your end. It's totally possible to do, but if you view your time as money, paying for AutoDS would be worth your while, especially with all the other added benefits it provides long-term. Now, within minutes, we have a fully ready-to-go online store and winning products in our niche that we can choose from. Now, there's a few more important things that we have to do. So just click on this navigation tab again, click on Settings, click User and Permissions, and we need to change the default email on this store so you can transfer the ownership. So just enter your email in here, enter the password that they gave us before. You can copy and paste it again. Then just click on Transfer Store Ownership. So it has now been sent to your email. So just go ahead and check your email. You'll have an email here from Shopify instantly. And this is the invite from yourself to now put yourself and your actual email onto this account. So just click on Get Started. Click Accept Invite, and it will take you back to the main page. So once you make yourself the owner, now in order to keep this store, you need to choose a plan for your store. So go back to Settings, click on Store Details, then just click on Pick a Plan. They do have a couple of different options here, but as a beginner, I would just choose the most cheapest one, and you can start the free trial. Now, as of right now, you can get 3 months for only $1 a month. Make sure you sign up as soon as you see this video because I have heard that they are stopping this and that they're actually going to start only giving you 1 month for free. So make sure that you definitely get on this ASAP. So you'll just enter your credit card information in here, hit continue, and then you can go live with your store. Now, Shopify does give you a free domain you can use as a beginner, just so you can start promoting your store right away. But once you are sure about your business name and you want to get an actual domain so your store can look even more official, getting a custom domain will be worth it. It just looks so much more legitimate when people are clicking on your store. For example, Rihanna uses rihanna.store, Shopify uses shopify.com, Behance uses behance.net. Now take a look at these and notice the ends of these links. This part, like .store, .com, .net, that's the domain name, and it sets each website apart. I personally am switching over all of my online store names with the .store domain because it just makes the most sense from the customer's perspective. Even Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, and a million others are doing the same thing. Mr. Beast actually completely changed his usual .com for a .store because it just makes sense. Having a .store domain not only makes sense, but it just adds that extra touch to your online store. A website link that has .store in it tells your viewers right away that they have come across an online store. It's different, but it also stands out. The word store is very simple, and people love using it when they're looking to buy stuff, which means when they're searching on Google for something specific, having a .store domain gets 2 times the visibility on Google. Just by using a .store domain, it gives you access to so many different discounts, up to $2,500 on even more e-commerce tools like Wix, ShipStation, Vistaprint, MailChimp, and so many more. Now you can get one of these through Shopify, Namecheap, GoDaddy, and so many more. You can really buy the .store domain from anywhere. But I actually found a promotion for you guys, so I had to put you on, of course. For a limited time, you can get a .store domain for only 99 cents for the first year. I did put the link down in the description box for you guys, and just make sure you also use the code BSTORE when checking out. Now, again, we have this awesome online store that was made for us that we got done in less than 10 minutes. But this is all for nothing if we do not have a plan in place to actually market this online store. And thanks to the power of social media, you no longer have to spend thousands of dollars on ads to actually make money and get sales. There's a big problem across YouTube because a lot of people will tell you just to buy ads because they honestly don't even know themselves how to actually take advantage of this organic marketing. Now, within this store, you will notice you have multiple different products, but if I was you, I would be picking one product from this store to focus on. Then, if that product does well, you can actually start to shift your store in a way that promotes more of that product in a specified niche. Let me give you an example. So my favorite product inside this online store that they chose for us, that I've also already saw on AutoDS before, is this preserved rose bear. This product stands out to me for multiple reasons. One reason is that we can market this as a luxury product. You will notice too, if you actually get onto Google and you search rose bears, there is a big market and a niche just for these types of products. You can see all of these stores have actually made their niche to be preserved rose products. And I personally think that's much better than having just like a general store with a bunch of different things in it. Customers are much more likely to trust you if you focus in on one specialized niche than trying to sell too many things and it just kind of looks a little disorganized. And for me, I trust stores that are more in that specialized niche. So I know that customers are also seeing it this way as well. You can see with these stores that they've branded their entire store around this product. So as they're marketing it, the customer experience is just so much better. So you're probably thinking, okay, well, how do I even market a product? And again, all you really need is your phone. And something I highly recommend is ordering a sample of your product as well. A sample of your product shouldn't cost any more than $5 to $15. And now that you have the product on hand, you now have the power to make unlimited marketing videos that you are then going to take videos of the product and distribute them across social media. The 3 main social media platforms that will generate you the most sales if you focus on them is TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. In that order. You can take very simple marketing videos just like this. If you're curious about the settings I use, I shoot all of my video content in 4K mode in 60, and I just use the simple video camera here on the iPhone. I then take that video, I put it in CapCut, and I make very simple edits with it. Take a look at these TikToks that went viral recently. You can see that these TikToks are so simple and straightforward. It's usually just a mix of a video of the product in good lighting, text graphics on screen, and some type of psychological aspect behind it. For example, one of my most viral videos that I made for a product that got over 10 million views that generated me tens of thousands of dollars in sales was so simple. You can see that I added a shock factor to this video, which made it stand out, made it go viral, and made lots of people send it to other people, comment on it, and I created that whole shock factor behind it. Even though obviously this lip gloss was not $1,000, I used simple text on screen graphics. I used a simple video of my product that I used this video over and over and over again multiple times for other videos. And I added the entire psychology side of things behind the actual video. Now, I create content for TikTok first because I feel like TikTok is the leading platform of the other two. For some reason, what works well on TikTok works even better on Instagram Reels. And then you can post that video on Pinterest. And I love Pinterest because you don't need any followers on there to actually start promoting and getting views. And it is a search engine. So when someone's looking for something like a rose bear gift, yours can pop up and they can actually shop directly through that link in the pin on Pinterest. Short form vertical video content is what you need to prioritize learning. Even if you don't wind up sticking to the same product, you now have those skills of creating content that does well. So no matter what you do online, you can succeed in. And you do not need any followers to actually get started. TikTok recently launched TikTok Shop, which has been taking over and blowing up people's businesses. This is another thing you can start with no followers and start promoting right away. This is so powerful because people are able to shop directly through the TikTok, as you can see here. The way that social media is nowadays is if you just focus on short form video content, you post consistently, you eventually will be pushed out in the algorithm and get the views. And followers always come with that. So you can get your online store, you can start making marketing videos and start getting sales. It is so crazy to think that in our modern times, we can start a fully functioning business in less than 10 minutes with less than $10 straight from our phones. This is why I always say you already have everything you need to succeed. You just have to take the time, obtain the knowledge, have the faith, and keep the consistency to push through and master these skills in order for it to change your life like it did mine. Now, as you know, this was more of a mini free course today, and I have lots of other free courses and helpful videos on my YouTube channel that go even deeper and show you even more how to set certain things up, make marketing videos. I have so many different videos on my YouTube channel if you haven't already watched them yet. I recently launched a community called Baddies in Business, and the purpose of this community is to help you guys take action. There is a monthly fee to be inside of it, but I'm there every single day helping you guys out one-on-one, evaluating your content, giving you content ideas, helping you with whatever technical problem you might get stuck with. And I wanted to create this community as a way to bridge the gap between what you guys were having problems with and how I can be there to solve them and hold your hand along the way on your entrepreneurship journey as well. I have put so much of my own work into this community to make it so amazing for you guys, and I'm so excited for everybody that has already taken advantage of it and that have gotten in so far. The monthly cost of the community will be increasing as more and more people join, so get in now. I also linked that in the description and in the top comment of this video. It's totally optional, so don't feel like you have to. You can still watch my YouTube videos, try things yourself, and succeed that way, but I just wanted to offer a solution to anybody that has trouble along the way. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, wishing you all the best with your dropshipping journey, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone!